Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are going to find out, can you dry firewood with hydraulic press? And the inspiration comes from the fact that I don't have enough dry firewood, so I need to dry some fast. And is it possible with the hydraulic press? I would say that I think we can make it somewhat drier, but it's not probably very feasible method. But I'm going to try nevertheless. And here I have some freshly cut wood, and I have like measuring device that I can use to measure how moist it is. And from surface it reads about 30%, and to be good firewood it should be like 15%. So there is twice as much water as there should be, and that's on the surface. And I think it's even worse on the inside, so I'm going to cut wood with the chainsaw and then we measure again. Okay, and here is the measuring device. It has two steel spikes and it measures the electric resistance of the wood. The more moist, the lower the resistance. And let's see what is the result for the freshly cut part. Okay, it's around 40 something percent, and I have cut down this tree like maybe 1 month ago, and I sliced it up like a couple days ago, so it's already a bit drier. And I think I'm going to also weigh it, so then we can measure the like amount of water that we can get out by mass. So the mass for the tree at the moment is 595 grams, and I think I'm going to just first try just to crush it like this and see if the water comes out or not. Looks pretty simple. And if this doesn't work, then I have like a bit more advanced ideas, but this would be the easiest option. Okay, here we go, and let's hope that it doesn't explode. Okay, water comes out, but also the wood comes out. But that's a lot of water already. Stuff didn't fly too far away, so I can gather all of these. 533 grams. So we lost 62 grams. Okay, results are in, and we were able to squeeze out about 10% of the water. So from 40 to 30. So we are like halfway there. Under 20 would be like usable. But we didn't use the full force because the wood started to escape. So I'm going to switch to tool that keeps all the wood inside, but it's also slow as hell to use. But I would say that if you don't have like wood to burn, this is definitely helpful because this also slices it up really small. So this should, I think this is going to dry up really fast. Okay, here is the new tool. So cylinder, piston with holes. So the cylinder will keep the wood inside and the holes let the water out. And here is the new wood part. Let's weigh it. 690 grams. And I assume that it has the same moisture level as the previous one because this is the other side of the same piece. And in it goes. Okay, didn't fit. How about now? Like, yeah, now it fits. Almost forgot to measure the weight, but it's 563 grams now. And here we go. I have to first line it carefully. Holy shit. Yeah, there it is. And then full force. Okay, that's full blast. And okay, it didn't work very well. I think the tool has two large holes. The wood tried to escape, and then I feel that the water gets left behind on the cup and the wood sucks it back in. I'm not sure. I'm going to pop this open and remove all the material and wait after that. So let's see. Okay. Moment of the truth. And I don't feel very confident about this. Again, it's in really small pieces, and we might lost like 10 grams or 5 grams or something like that on the explosions. And the result is 511 grams, so again, only 10% lost. I think with like perfect tool design, bit like this but upside down, where the water like pours out and not shoot up, you could maybe reach like usable like levels of dryness, but that would be slow as hell. So I think the time is your friend, not hydraulic press on the like drying wood business. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.